Hey Jake, what time is it?
It's fishing time.
Oh yeah. Hey Siri, text Jacob Wilson.
Did you mean Jake Wilson? Bad fisherman?
Hey!
Yeah,
What the?
that's perfect.
I outfished you last time.
I outfish you every time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You outfished me once.
That's fine.
Did your dad still?
What?
Did your dad still not know you have the same boat?
I'm not sure. Dude, I'm literally just gonna sit on this bench right here and fish. Guys, it's like negative 2,000 degrees. Not exaggerating. I can't feel my hands at all.
I have a glove.
I don't want one glove.
Wait, but since I'm only using one glove so that I can keep my other hand free. And it just so happens that I'm a righty and you're a lefty.
Alright. Hold on, don't throw it. I know it'll go in the lake if you throw that. Oh, thank you, thank you. Guys, Jake actually did something nice for me.
You're a jerk.
I'm kidding. Jake.
Like I'm mean to you.
What?
Like I'm mean to you or something.
I'm just kidding.
I'm one of the nicest kids I know. That being said, I don't know many people.
I'm also homeschooled. Dude, we need to leave.
Do you want me to show the camera the text? They said, dude, let's go fishing
I just missed
today.
one.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You 100% did not.
Yeah, you're probably right. Where'd you get these gloves? They're actually good.
I stole them from my dad.
Nice. Guys, I actually heard a rumor that all the fish in this lake died, so you're in for a treat
See,
today.
you know, I don't believe you.
You don't have to believe everything I say, Jake. You also don't have to tell me, no, you didn't, everything I did. Really cold. Catfish bait. Alright, guys. After Jake was talking crap on the spot for like...
I didn't say a single bad thing about the spot,
after
you
about
liar.
5 minutes of fishing, we caught this one. Oh, I caught this one.
Yeah, we did.
It's
We worked together.
That's a pretty nice rainbow.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
It's like the size of that one.
Oh, nice,
round
thanks.
you caught each
Get fish slime all over my gloves, thanks.
Hey, you're welcome. Dude, nice rainbow. We're gonna let him go once I get this cast master out.
If that thing seriously starts doing works and I have to go back up to my car to get a cast
You
master.
know, hey, we're not messing around over here. Same spot, bigger fish. Oh, it's so cold outside. Me and my boy Jakey Wills out here. Cast to the goose. Where there's birds, there's fish. Now go.
They're squaring up. I should break this up. You see me. Public service.
How do you feel?
I twisted my ankle. Boots. Kind of hurt.
Alright guys, we just went to our second spot. Jake has missed like a few, but I'm too cold to fish. Like my hands are literally like turning black. It's so cold.
Mine are turning more and more white.
Jake's getting cold.
I'm not getting cold. I'm just fine.
Siri said the real feel was 28 degrees, but I don't think she's telling the truth. It is so cold out here. but
She's telling the truth.
we're still fishing, so we're gonna see if we can't catch. Well, if Jake can't catch at least one before we freeze to death out here.
I'm gonna catch one, Mike. They're bedded right there.
He's determined. They're crazy for that, man. Running in this weather. Are you really doing that right now? Crazy. Update. Still cold. It's been about 1 minute since the last clip. Still cold. Still no fish. But we're on the way to fame right here, guys. You just gotta stay the course. Stay the course. Alright, Jake. How'd it turn out?
Alright.
That's it?
We only caught your fish. You caught your fish.
Yeah, boy.
An alright rainbow.
Yeah, it was
It was
nice.
pretty nice. The first cast at the new spot, I could see my lure because it was crystal clear water. And I saw a big flash of silver, which was a trout swiping at it. And he missed it. And then a few casts later, had one come up to it right in about 2 inches of water. And just a tiny little thing. But he hit it, but grabbed the middle and missed the hook. So,
It was
a
just
little disappointing.
too cold.
Mm-hmm.
Too cold to function.